Hey, this is June from Goldhand Drawings. Welcome back. Today I want to introduce one ballpoint pen. It's called Leuchtturm Drehgirffel. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, so I won't say the name again. I'll just call it Leuchtturm pen. Like you guys all know, Leuchtturm 1917 is a German notebook brand. A lot of people use Moleskine or Leuchtturm as their bullet journal. And when I first saw it, it did have like a vintage look to it. I mean, the pen looks really pretty, so I just wanted to introduce it to you guys. So I think it was like $30 or something. I mean, it's definitely not cheap. Maybe overpriced? Anyway, let's open it. So it comes in this triangle box like rotring. Package is really cool, I like it. Some instructions. I mean, they do have a lot of color variations to choose, and I picked this lavender color because I'm not a boring person. I'm a very fun and cool and good looking dude, so I picked the lavender color. Okay, so I think it's pretty small. If I compare it with some other pens that I have, so it's about this size. I have a typical pencil length over here and a Lamy fountain pen, Kaweco fountain pen. So it's pretty on the small side, I would say. Definitely light since it's small. Yeah, it's pretty light. But the whole thing is made out of metal, so it does have a good feel to it. The paint is a matte finish, like a powdery type. There's no option on clips, so if you buy this, there's no clip. And you can't buy it because it doesn't exist in the world. So no clip. So make sure you know that before you buy. So the interesting part about this pen is that it's a twist mechanism. You turn the knob and it comes out. I mean, you won't find this type of twist mechanism these days because it's less practical than the clicking method. This twist, you have to use your, both hands to work it out. So it's very hard to use it just only one hand. So that's why there aren't a lot of twist mechanism in the market these days. But because of this twist mechanism and this brass tip, gives a lot of vintage feel to it. So anybody who likes this kind of stuff, like a vintage thing, I do recommend this pen. Even though it's a ballpoint pen, the ink comes out pretty smooth. I mean, not smoother than Caran d'Ache 849, Goliath, or Uni-Jet Strain, but definitely on the smooth side. And it's a ballpoint pen, so you have to put some pressure on it to write. The refill is a typical G2 standard refill, I think. So I don't think it will be hard to find the refill. So this whole thing is a metal, except this part. This part is plastic, but the inside is made out of brass, I think. Okay, so I think I found one downside. I think there's a lot of gap between the spring and the refill and the barrel. So as I write, these three parts keep hitting each other in this area. So that's a little bit annoying, I would say. If they want to charge $30, I think they should have made this issue a little bit better, I think. I think maybe $20 is good for this. Definitely not a $30 pen. But if you like the design like me, I guess buy it. This brass tip is also gonna patina later, so it will look prettier than now, I guess. I mean, it's a pretty pen. Easy to put it in your purse or pocket. Yeah, not bad, I think. On color, if you're not a boring person like me, I recommend this lavender color. Lilac, lavender, I don't know which one is it, but this purple color. Because on my eye, this was the prettiest. If you're a boring person, I think black or white looks very nice. Okay, so this is it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, have a happy shopping, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye!